Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into one of the most elite power supplies you can get right now, the Seasonic Prime TX-1600 Noctua edition. This is not just a PSU, it's a premium collaboration between Seasonic's top-tier engineering and Noctua's legendary cooling expertise. Let's start with raw power. This unit delivers an incredible 1600 watts, making it perfect for extreme PC builds. Think RTX 4090 or next-gen GPUs, overclocked CPUs, and even multi-GPU or workstation setups. If you're building a no-compromise system, this PSU has more than enough headroom. Now efficiency: this PSU is 80+ titanium certified, which is the highest level of efficiency you can get in consumer PSUs. That means minimal power loss, less heat, and better overall system stability. Your components run cooler and more efficiently, even under heavy load. What makes this edition special is the Noctua integration. It features a premium Noctua fan, known worldwide for ultra-quiet operation and excellent airflow. Combined with Seasonic's smart fan control, this PSU runs incredibly silent even when your system is under stress. Perfect for creators and gamers who want powerful hardware without noise distractions. It also supports the latest ATX 3.1 standard, making it fully compatible with next-generation GPUs and high power spikes. This ensures stable and reliable power delivery, even during sudden load changes, which is critical for modern graphics cards. Inside, Seasonic uses high-quality components including premium capacitors, ensuring long-term durability and clean voltage output. This protects your expensive hardware and guarantees consistent performance over time. The fully modular design keeps your build clean and organized. You only connect the cables you need, improving airflow and making installation easier, especially in high-end builds. Design-wise, the black and brown Noctua theme gives it a unique look. It might not be flashy RGB, but it represents performance, reliability, and quiet operation at the highest level. And of course, this PSU is backed by a long warranty, giving you confidence in your investment. Overall, the Seasonic Prime TX-1600 Noctua edition is built for enthusiasts who want the absolute best: maximum power, top efficiency, and near-silent performance. It's overkill for most, but perfect for those who demand the best. If you're building a flagship PC, check the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech reviews.